Nightingale Award recipient, recently celebrated her nursing class' 50th reunion. She graduated with a diploma degree from St. Joseph's School of Nursing in 1964. She later earned her BSN from Spalding University in 1986. She began her nursing career in pediatrics at St. Joseph Hospital and 2 years later took a job at Jewish Hospital. She went on to work for Norton Suburban in the emergency room and then in the operating room. And today, at age 71, she still works in the OR 24 hours a week. She is proudly recognized as one of the most senior registered nurse staff within the whole Norton system for her 48-year history with that organization. Not only does she serve the Louisville community, but also the community of Migori, Kenya. She traveled there in 2012, 13, and 14 with Kenya Relief. That's a surgical team that provides care to people who live in an area of political and military unrest. She and her career inspire other people to define the true meaning of nursing. She was nominated by Mr. Bob Benson. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in congratulating Tina A. Clark.
When I was very young, Mother and Dad asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. And I felt like that really opened a huge amount of possibilities for me, even at that young age. On Saturdays, we had chores, and when those were completed and we got our allowance, we were given a quarter, and that was to buy a stamp that went in a very special stamp book and was later redeemed, like a year and a half later, for a United States savings bond. And that impressive document always said to me that my dreams were on the horizon. They were a possibility. The icing on the cake is I still get to do a job that I wanted to do when I was 7 years old. And the sprinkles on the cake are getting to be here tonight.